Hey, you. Yeah, you, the one sitting right there. Have you ever felt like maybe you haven't been getting enough of a burn during your leg day? Or maybe you just skipped out on leg day altogether? Or maybe you just want to make life a bit more difficult for yourself? Have I got the idea for you? Why don't you park on the sixth floor and don't use the elevator? There's so many benefits to using stairs to get that extra oomph before and after your workout. Let's get started with something for our law abiders. Wolf's Law. Who's Wolf? Don't really worry about it. What's his law? Now there's something that you need to know. Wolf's Law says that bone adapts to the stress placed on it. When you're sitting in the elevator day to day, you're not going to be putting much stress on your bones. But if you really want to put them to work, try climbing up and down those set of stairs. Feel your bones work. Giving them that healthy amount of stress will make sure that they don't suddenly give out on you when you finally have your annual leg day. Now that we've gone over how your bones will be feeling big and strong, what about the stuff you really care about? Those muscles. Standing in the elevator, you're not getting much of any type of muscle contractions. But when you choose the way better option of climbing those stairs, you'll be getting all types of muscle contractions. Let's look at your quadricep muscle group, better known as the rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, vastus intermedius, and vastus medialis. When you're going up the stairs, they'll be undergoing a concentric muscle contraction, in which the muscle shortens as it contracts and produces force as you extend your knee joint. This allows you to propel yourself forwards and upwards. When you're going down the stairs, those same muscles will undergo an eccentric muscle contraction, in which the muscle lengthens as it contracts and produces force to help control knee flexion so you don't accidentally fall on your face because gravity is just too strong. And whether you're going up or down the stairs, you'll always have one leg stabilizing your body during the next step. The quadriceps on this leg will be undergoing an isometric muscle contraction, in which the muscle stays the same length as it produces force to stabilize the body enough for the opposite leg to make the next step. So basically, you're not only getting your steps in for the day, but also a mini workout. Or maybe not so many. One last thing to think about as you climb up those flights of stairs would be the mechanical advantage of one of your natural lever systems, also known as your knee. Mechanical advantage is the ratio of moment arms in such lever systems. The higher the ratio means less force is needed, but it will sacrifice speed or range of motion. And in reverse, the lower the ratio means more force is required, but it increases speed or range of motion. In your knee, your bones will act as levers, the joint as the fulcrum, and the muscles will provide force to move loads. In our case, the ratio will be low because the resistance arm, or the distance from the knee to the foot, is longer than the effort arm, the distance from the knee to the quadriceps insertion. This ultimately culminates in the quadriceps producing a significant force to extend the knee and lift the body. But this low mechanical advantage allows for greater speed and range of motion, making stair climbing more fluid and dynamic and a fun daily activity for you to get your move on. And imagine, if you would have taken that elevator, you would have so much fun contemplating the mechanical advantage of your knee. So at the end of the day, the best way to get a head start on building those huge legs you want for Christmas is taking the stairs. Especially when the parking lots are full and you find yourself on the sixth floor of that parking garage. And as the wise old multi-billion-dollar company likes to remind us, just do it. Or don't. It's up to you.